almost a centimeter. Holy cow, look at that. It's 3/4 of an inch hail. Very cold air aloft here. I was expecting a possible marginal threat from the Storm Prediction Center. If there really was thunderstorm, the temperatures upper 40s, 50s, low 50s maybe, the max. So this 3/4 inch hail is pretty good size for this area. I don't see too many. This is the biggest hail I think I've ever seen, actually. It's kind of weird when it's so cold out. There's actually quite a lot of thunder and lightning. See if there's some of this hail is getting pretty big here. Taking some small leaves off. You see the leaves dropping. Yeah, the hail's actually accumulating here, almost covering the ground here. The lightning close by here. Yeah. That's good size, holy cow. It actually stings. Ah, man. Ah.